So in our previous videos, we have learned about using Jest, and we have also learned about different things that we can do with Jest. Things like mocking a function and many other things. And there is a possibility that we can do other things also. So here you can see guides. Guides contain different guides for doing different things like snapshot testing, async example, timer, manual mocks, and class mocks. So whenever you need to write test for certain type of things like timer, classes, async functions, go through these guides to understand how to use it. So here let us click on class mocks, because in one of the assignment you will see that you have to write test for classes. So you can go through this to understand how can you write tests for classes. Go through the basics of it, like how they're defining the class here, then they're defining another class, but this class is using the previous class and they're testing it using a mock function. So in our previous video, we saw that using Jest.fn, we can create a mock of a function. But by using Jest.mock and passing the class or the function, we can create a mock on that specific thing. So go through this example and try to write tests for a class and any other thing that you need in future.